Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our September new products video. First new product is this transfer case shift knob by Carpenter Industries, made just like the original. This fits the 1966 Bronco. This also fits from the mid-60s to the mid-70s F100s, 250s, and 350s. It's a transfer case knob, 3/8 threads design, comes with a jam nut, brand new from Dennis Carpenter Industries. And our next new product is from Carpenter Industries again. It's this beautiful 1992 to 1997 F250 XL Emblem. Made in the original tooling, just like Ford did back in the day. Carpenters came out with this. Really simple installation. Comes with a two-phase tape on the back, peel and stick. Brand new, fits the 92 to 97 F250 Ford pickups. Our next new products for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco is this front fender brace kit. If you got an early Bronco and you're redoing it, you know these are either missing, bent, or rusted. So Carpenter Industries reproduced these. What's nice about these are all stainless steel construction and come with a mounting hardware. This is a front fender brace one. It goes from the front of the fender to the fender apron. We have those for drivers and passenger. And we have this beautiful stainless steel one, which goes from the bottom of the fender and the rear of the tire up to the kick panel. All comes with the mounting hardware. Sold as a kit of 4, or you can buy them individually. Also available are these rear quarter braces. These are in front of the rear tire. They go from the bottom of the quarter panel up to the wheelhouse. Stainless steel construction, come with the mounting hardware. Fits both sides, right or left. Beautiful product. And our next new product are these aluminum slant angled oil breathers. These are from Proform Industries. These are a brand new product that's come out. Got the Ford logo right on them, available in many different colors. These match our valve covers, which we already sell, and our beautiful slant angle air cleaners. This will give you a complete kit. You can do the whole engine compartment, make it look good. We got the Ford blue, we got the black with the red Ford, we've got the chrome, we got the polished chrome, and we got the black. This will give you the complete kit. And for our September Web Truck of the Month, we have Bill Freiling's 78 Bronco. It's a family heirloom, was passed down through the generations. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
This is a 78 Ford Bronco. We got it from my grandpa's estate. He just passed away last fall, which we miss him, so we wanted to keep something that kind of helps us remember him and the good times, so we got his Bronco. He bought it when it was a year old from Borgman Ford in Grand Rapids. Pretty much all stock. And my grandma drove it daily for about 10 years. They had a Lincoln, and then bought a bigger boat, and Lincoln wouldn't pull the boat, so they got a Bronco to pull the boat with, and then she drove it daily. So it did do about 10 Michigan winters, but after that they parked it and just used it for a weekend cruiser, and so he's had it ever since. It's a 400M. Yep. He put headers on it and dual exhaust probably 15 years ago, just because he wanted to hear it rumble. Other than that, it's all stock. He owned an electrical company, and he had a lot of his trucks done, you know, with his name on the door and stuff. So he wanted something different, so he had that added to the back of it, and then he had some pinstriping done on the hood and on the visor up top. We just put some bigger tires on it. I've got a roll bar that's going to go on the back. We like to run the sand dunes, so hopefully with the whole family run the sand dunes. We got 3 little kids, so they'll all fit in the back seat of this one a little better than the other one. So. But yeah, pretty much just keep it like it is. Just maintain it and love on it and enjoy it.